Hi guys, good day. This is Spider-Man. So today we will have an unboxing and toy review for this Funko Pop Scarlet Spider from Spider-Man Across the Spider-Verse. So, this is Walmart exclusive sticker and super excited to have this one before the Spider-Verse movie. Enjoy watching. Alright, so here's the actual Scarlet Spider Funko. So I love the comic style for this new Funko Pop. And as you can see here, it also have the spider logo at the back. So really love the cell shading or comic shading for this Scarlet Spider. Really captures what's in the comic. Alright, so here's the comparison with the first Scarlet Spider Funko Pop with the new Scarlet Spider. So it has a huge improvement. The size is a little bit smaller. You can see the pouches on his ankle greatly improved. The cartridges on his wrists, the spider logo, and the hoodie itself, and also the comic shading on his head and the body. So you can see at the back it has the spider logo for the new version, and you can see the very detailed on the new Scarlet Spider Funko. So I also love the colors for the new Scarlet Spider Funko. Alright, so there you have it. That's your Funko Pop Scarlet Spider, Spider-Man Across the Spider-Verse. I really love this new Scarlet Spider Funko. And I love the design that they did here. It's really a huge improvement for the first Scarlet Spider Funko. And I'm looking forward for unmasked version of Ben Reilly. Hope they will make one in the future. So thanks again guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly subscribe, like, and share this to your spider friends. Take care. Bye.